So I bought one of these exploding boxes for my daughter's birthday. They just look so fun, and I definitely wanted to try it out, and she'll think it's hilarious. This is how it comes. It comes wrapped flat like this, so you definitely have to assemble it yourself. But it looks straightforward in terms of how to assemble it, so let's try it out. It says do not cut on it, so be really careful when you're opening this plastic. So there's the box, there's the mechanism, and there's the confetti, and there's also the instructions. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. You just pop it open and fold what you need to fold. That way you have a box like this. And at this point, you're gonna put your gift inside. I'm throwing in some money. Then you take this insert, and you're gonna fold these side parts down like this. That's so that it can fit into the box, just like that. Pull this thing up just a little bit like that. Then take these two rubber bands here at the bottom, put them in this first slot here, which pulls this whole mechanism toward you, and then you're gonna load the confetti right there. And there is quite a bit of confetti there. You're gonna put all that confetti in this little pouch right here, or as much as you want. This is quite a lot. And then to load it, you're gonna push this back down, get as much of that confetti in that pouch as possible. Put some on top too if you want. Then you take this last flap right here, stick it on top there to hold it down before closing the whole box, just like this. I missed one little tab as I was putting the box together, so I need to take this apart and put that back in. This tab here gets folded in as a part of the box. So you put as much as you want in there, put it back down, throw some more on top if you want, and then this little open here tab gets tucked in that little slot, like that. Now it's ready to go, and when she opens that up, here's your birthday present.
That looks fancy.
Oh, there! I think it's a really fun way to give somebody a gift. Just adds a little pizzazz to your birthday party. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.